Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So I received my dollhouse box swap back from my partner, and I started to open it, and look at this cute little box. She decorated the inside. I've never done that, so I'm gonna have to look into doing that at some point. So anyway, I opened one thing because I was gonna get everything ready, and no, I said let me just open it with my viewers because they're so sweet and they follow me throughout my swaps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to move this box out of the way and we will open it together. So in the very first package, and she has everything wrapped in tissue, and she put a note card in there for me. It just tells me a little bit about her, and even her note card, look at that, guys, even her note card is on, something decorative. And I want to say I didn't even put a note card in hers, so sorry, Martha, I'm sorry that I didn't do. I'm so bad at writing. But look at that, isn't that cute? Thank you, Martha, I appreciate everything. So when I opened this up, and she used really pretty washi on all the on all the little packages and whatnot. So I opened this up, and it's got all kinds of trims in there. And guys, I am working on a Christmas in July swap, so I was so glad to see this red and green trim, this really pretty eyelet trim, and then this one over here is some lace trim. That is so pretty. Thank you, Martha. I am going to make something with that, and I'm not sure what it is, but I know I'll be able to use it. So there's that one, and then this one, I don't know what this is. I really truly don't. She may have a Daiso nearby. I think that's from Daiso. Anyway, this is the next package. And oh, look at that. Look at all these beads. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let me see if I can get this lighting a little bit better for you. But I had to move my stuff around, and so okay. So look at these beads. Oh, Diva's Boutique. Those are so pretty. Let me see about this. Okay, I'm trying to get... Okay, look at these. They're so pretty. Oh, those are pretty. Love the beads. Thank you, Martha. And then the next package... Let's see what the next package is, because I truly don't know. Okay, guys, so one thing I do love is Authentique. Their papers are beautiful. They're amazing. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Yes. Let me see that one. Let me find that page. This one, look at that. Oh my goodness, I love that. Okay, Martha, I'm gonna have to make something special with this. That is beautiful. Thank you, Martha. And then we have some metallic gold and silver paper. Oh, that's pretty. Let me see the silver. And they're red on the back. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Red on the back. Beautiful. Thank you. I love my glitter paper. I sure do. Well, okay. And that was in that little package. And then there's another one. Let's see what is in this one. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. That's a beautiful envelope. Look at that. That is wall worthy. Look at that. beautiful. Oh, you did great, Martha. Look at that. Hello. This envelope is so pretty. Look at that. I love that. I can put this on the wall and use it as, you know, a catch-all or something. Well, this is cute. She put a little card in there for me. Adorable little card. Aw, Martha, I'm thinking your favorite color might be blue. And then she made some flowers for me. Look at that washi. Isn't that cute? Oh, that's cute. And the little banner on the top. Then she put some die cuts in here for me. Those are cute. And it looks like most of them are word die cuts, or maybe all of them. This one might be a word. And then a tag. And then she sent me some sequins. That's pretty. Gold and silver. And then it looks like she may have sent me some cut aparts. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. I'll probably use it on something. Yeah, and she sent me some cut aparts. Oh, those are pretty. I wonder if she has if they came like this, or she has a brother scan and cut, because it looks cut pretty darn good. Oh, that's pretty. Thank you, Martha. Okay, so let me put that back, because knowing me, I love that. That's so pretty. Okay, so this will go back in here. I think this is a napkin, guys. Yes, it is. Oh, the flower came off. I'll put it back on there. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. That is pretty. And I'll put this flower back, Martha. Love that. Thank you. And then there's more, guys. Yep, there's more. She's so sweet. Yeah, I'm sure that's Daiso. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Oh my goodness, that's a little notepad. Let us open this. Let's open this and see what... A notepad is a notepad, right? But I bet you we can do something with this. Look at that. That is so adorable. Oh, that is cute. That is a cute notepad. I bet you I can alter that. Okay, well, thank you for the notepad, Martha. That's so super cute. I don't remember seeing one of those. And then in her last package before her dollhouse, let's see what's in here. Oh, how cute is this? A little bit of tape got stuck on there. I'll take it off. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That is so adorable. That's a little tin tray. And that is so cute. I know that she does some thrift shopping, so this may be one of those items, but it is so adorable. Thank you, Martha. I love this. I love it. Oh, I'm trying to, ideas are going in my head already. That is so adorable. I love it. Thank you, Martha. Okay, so I'm going to move this stuff out of the way because I don't want to, my desk is a mess. Okay, now, or my table, this is her little dollhouse box, and we all used the same tutorial, guys. That was one of the requirements for the swap. So this is the box that she made from the tutorial. And then, isn't she cute? She's adorable. She put little windows on the sides, little flowers at the bottom, cute little flower box. And then she put windows on the sides, and then she put some cutouts, cut-aparts or borders on the top there, and then she put another window there. She used lace for the roof, and that looks so cute. Oh, she put it down here at the bottom as well. And then she put lace on the top for, you know, scalloped lace, the trim, and as the top of the house. And then she put another little one of these borders on the top. It's got birds, flowers. It's got a little birdhouse. That's so cute. Butterfly on the front. Again, the window. And then the back is the same. Isn't that cute? I love that. Okay, so, and then she put feet on the bottom. She put some flat packs on the bottom as feet. And then the box opens up, the house opens up from the top. And she filled it with goodies. Oh, how cute. Okay, so the inside of the box, guys. Isn't that cute? It's so adorable. I like that. That's beautiful. And she distressed the edges on the windows. Super cute. And then she did tell me in her note that she crochets, that her grandmother taught her how to crochet. Look at these. Aren't these cute? Beautiful, beautiful color. Look at that. Beautiful. And then some yellow ones. And look at the centers on that, on the yellow ones. Those are so cute. Pretty, pretty. And then she made me some more flowers with button centers and then the sequin center. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Oh, I can use that as an edge on something. That is so, so pretty. Love that, Martha. You did really good. And then some more flowers. These are green with the beautiful button centers in gold. And then she did yellow and white with a little, I don't know what this thread, it's shiny, but so with some centers on there. Aren't those cute? Oh my goodness, Martha, you did great. I appreciate the swap and I loved everything. Thank you so, so much, Martha. And you went above and beyond. Our swap was amazing. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Y'all have a great day.